All right. Once again, my name is Favor Sunano, top leader, Platin Coin Africa. I'm here to show you how you can make money using your smartphone connected to the Platin Coin blockchain. We have a business model that allows anyone from anywhere around the world to be able to make money with their smartphone connected to the blockchain technology. Now, if you don't know, blockchain has been around for 11 years, and research analysts have said that blockchain will have a more significant impact on the world than the internet. Even the CEO of Binance, Changpeng Zhao, says blockchain will be bigger than the internet. There are lots of companies around the world that are already using the blockchain technology, and they include Visa, Unilever, Ford, Shell, Delta Airlines, and many others. Even IBM is not left out. All these big companies are already using the blockchain technology to move their business forward. It is time for you to connect to the blockchain to move your own finances forward in 5 minutes. If you are ready, you can, with 2 applications in your phone and also with the right investment, become part and parcel of the blockchain technology, using the smart contract of the blockchain technology to make millions depend on what you want. All right. Platin Coin, little bit of history. Platin Coin innovative blockchain was created in Switzerland in 2016. And within the last 3.5 years, Platin Coin have offices in Germany, in Switzerland, in different parts of the world, including Dubai. All right. And with a user base of 10,000 in 2017, the user base have grown to over 500,000 users today. Also, the value of the Platin Coin has appreciated 5,000% within the last 3.5 years. The gentleman you are seeing on the screen there, his name is Alex Reynard. He's the founder and CEO of Platin Coin. The Entrepreneur magazine quoted Alex to the 10 most prominent figures in the cryptocurrency world. He actually number 8 out of over 7,000 CEOs in cryptocurrency. Alex is rated as number 8 most prominent of them. That is remarkable. He's speaking right there in that picture at the Chain 2020 in Hong Kong, which is the biggest blockchain event that hosts 15,000 attendees cut across crypto and blockchain professionals. Only multi-level marketing company that was represented is Platin Coin. That tells us that Platin Coin is very visible. This event was sponsored by Forbes, CoinSpeaker, Crunchbase, and many other big tech companies around the world. All right, just concluded a few days ago was the Blockchain Live 2020 that held in Moscow between October 21st and 22nd. And there were 4,000 attendees. And Platin Coin, Alex Reynard was one of the main speakers at the event. And Platin Coin, Platin Hero was the main sponsor of that event. It takes a lot of hundreds of thousands of euros to be able to sponsor this event. And Platin Coin was able to sponsor the event, and that gives us incredible visibility. Why are we so excited about Platin Coin? Platin Coin is the first ever cryptocurrency that has created infrastructure that will allow the day-to-day use of cryptocurrency, which include crypto ATM machines, POS terminals, debit cards, marketplaces where you can do shopping and pay directly with Platin Coin, vending machines, and many others. I'm going to show you a video, and this video is from my friend Andrei Shumakov from Ukraine. He's going to show us how the Platin Coin ATM machine works. Let's watch it.
So we're going to give you a step-by-step breakdown of the Platin Coin exchange process. Here on the screen, you can see 3 language options: Ukrainian, English, and German. We will work in Ukrainian. Press order payment, then enter your phone number. Press continue. The screen will display a QR code that you can scan and print. Press print copy of receipt. You'll be able to scan this receipt or use your phone camera to scan the QR code on the main screen. This action connects the address of the wallet where you would like to transfer coins. For example, you want to transfer 20 PLC. Set commission to 0.001. Press send. Congratulations, your transaction has been successfully sent. Then we need to wait for our 20 PLC to pass through the blockchain and reach the wallet in the Cryptomat. Here, our 20 PLC transaction has been processed, and we can withdraw money from our Cryptomat. We press Withdrawals, input our phone number, press Continue. We receive an SMS with a code, which we enter into the designated field. Press OK. On the screen, our balance is 25 hryvnias. We enter 2,500 and press the confirmation button. Then we take out our money and print a receipt. $25 hryvnias, date, time, receipt number, all of this is indicated on the receipt. Now you will try to purchase Platin Coin in this Cryptomat. Start by pressing Top Up. We can see a viewfinder window. And now we need to press Receive on our phone. A QR code corresponding to our wallet is created, and we show it on the camera. The screen displays the address of the wallet where we would like to transfer PLC. Press OK, then enter our phone number and press Continue. The next step is to deposit a banknote. We deposit 500 hryvnias. The screen displays this sum. The minimum payment is 20 hryvnias. The exchange rate is 160 hryvnias for 1 Platin Coin. Press Make Payment. The money is transferred to the wallet. Press Print Receipt. The printed receipt shows that we have deposited 500 hryvnias into the account linked to our phone number. We need to wait for it to reach our wallet. Our money, 3.12 PLC, was transferred to our wallet a minute ago. It's simple. The entire process is very straightforward. Friends, it's all very simple. Exchanging Platin Coin is really easy. All you need is a phone with an installed wallet containing some coins. Exchange them for hryvnias. Buy Platin Coin, sell Platin Coin. Soon, there will be plenty of Cryptomats all around the world. Platin Coin. The time is now.
All right, that's my friend Andrei Shumakov showing us how the Platin Coin ATM machine works. Now, in that video, I'm going to show you, what I'm going to show you now, you're going to see myself and the CEO, Alex Reynald, demonstrating how our POS terminal works. Let's watch it.
Okay. No, come in. He gonna pay everything. On the cash machine. Yeah. Okay. For example, I am educated user. Favorite using it first time. Okay. It's here. For example, you are a merchant, and I come to your store and say, okay, I would like to buy this base cap. Yeah, baseball cap. Okay. Just click.
How many do you want?
Only one.
Just one.
Add to basket and receive here.
Okay.
Show to the camera.
See that? You see that?
And now I go, okay, I'm ready to pay. Yeah, I have my friends.
Oh, yeah. Fantastic.
It's very good to have friends.
You have cash? You pay cash or cryptocurrency?
No, I don't have cash.
Oh,
I can
okay.
only my smartphone with Platin Coin.
We have Platin Coin. Fantastic. You can pay with cryptocurrency.
Yes.
Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin,
No.
Ethereum. What do you have?
I would like to buy
Platin Coin.
Platin Coin, yeah.
Fantastic.
You click on Platin and you have to wait. Then you have your experience.
Yeah.
so will happen in reality.
Okay, you want to see? You want to see?
Use the next.
Okay.
And now, Igor, come on.
I need click send.
Send.
It's come.
One scan.
Don't move. Yeah.
Show it all. Show it.
Yes.
Show
Can you see that?
And press send. Congratulations.
Show it.
Okay, watch.
And magic.
Look. Woo! Okay.
It's paid.
It's paid.
Now,
That's the receipt.
now,
All right, so you can see me there, and Alex, CEO of Platin Coin, testing out, and other partners from Africa, India, other parts of the world, testing out how the POS terminal work. This Platin Coin is a tech company that is providing blockchain solutions that will not just support Platin Coin, but other cryptocurrency. All right, so this video I'm going to show you right now, you are going to see our real estate that you can purchase with Platin Coin. Think about it. You have a software on your phone that mints Platin Coin, and with that mint coin you are minting, you can buy a house, you can buy stuff in the office, in the shops, you can do shopping online. It's just incredible. Let's watch this. So this is a big city that is being that has already been designed, that will be acquired, that the construction will start anytime soon. And this is the design of the city, and it's in Lagos. That's just the phase one. There's going to be a lot of phases all over Africa, and you can pay with Platin Coin. You can pay with Platin Coin using that you are minting with your phone. Think about it. You have a software that is in your phone that when you can use the money that the coin you are minting to pay directly. So with Platin Coin, you purchase the software from the company, and that software allows you to mint the coin for 36 months. And within that 36 months, you can spend the coin at any time that you want. It has never been done. This is just really, really amazing. I don't have so much time, so I'm going to pause it here. I mean, this is just incredible. All right. Now, right here in this video, you will see people. Different companies that accept Platin Coin, they put their goods out there, and people came around to do shopping and paid directly with their minted coin in their phone. Now, you mint coin today, you go and use it to do shopping. You mint coin tomorrow, you go and use it to do shopping. You mint coin next tomorrow, you go and use it to buy a house. I mean, just incredible. It has never been done. So if you cannot afford to miss your chance in this opportunity before the opportunity disappears. So you want to take advantage of it.
Shopping is about taking place right now. And this one of our customers want to do some shopping and pay with Platin Coin. So are you ready? Okay, just go click on the wallet, the menu there. You click on send. So you scan. All right, shopping is about taking place right now. And this one of our customers want to do some shopping and pay with Platin Coin. So are you ready? Okay, just go click on the wallet, the menu there. You click on send. So you scan. Yes, that's it. Allow. Okay, it's trying to make a payment for the vegetable oil. Okay. 3.6. We get it. Yes. No, do that. Just say done now. Next. All right, it's about to pay. Fantastic, you have paid. Congratulations. Woo! So you cannot have, please let it have his oil. 10 liters, that's 10 liters of vegetable oil. Let's see vegetable oil. Can you see that? 10 liters of vegetable oil. Edible vegetable oil. Congratulations. All right, Platin Coin. The time is now.
So you can see that Platin Coin is money. You can use it to make payments. You can use it to buy house. You can use it to do shopping. Anything you can do with money, you can use a Platin Coin. But the good thing is that you are the one that mints the coin yourself. It has never happened. You don't want to miss this chance. Now let's continue. Now you can write this down. Go to platindeal.com. go to platindeal.com, you will see a lot of things you can buy and pay with your Platin coin anywhere around the world. So this is really a big deal. Now, just last week in Dubai, we had a chance to test out the Platin coin ATM card with the top leaders of the company. Now I'm going to play this video. You're going to see me and the top leaders using the Platin coin debit card to make payments. Let's watch it.
We have the application. Okay. Yes. Give me. We have this application, some very expert. Okay. In this application, you see euro. Okay. You see deposit funds. When you load, you send the PLC, the Platin coin. One Platin coin, €5. And here, this is the example for the card. And this is the card number. Yes. And we have. You can see the card. Yes. Same number. This is the same. 7691. You can see 7691. So that's his card. He's just covering the other numbers. That's all. And we pay in the POS terminal with this card. We have to order coffee and a little bread. Okay, we pay. You want this, okay? Yeah. Please kindly switch my social distance. It's ready? Perfect.
So you see that we just paid with Platin coin. We just loaded Platin coin to that debit card.
You can see this is the payment received. Platin coin paid with Platin coin. We loaded Platin coin into the debit card, and then it's going to make payments with his Platin coin. I mean, look at it there. Now look at the accounts have been debited. You can see that you can see the payments.
All right, so Platin coin is money. You can spend Platin coin anywhere around the world. But the beautiful thing is that this money, this digital money called Platin coin, you can mint it with your mobile phone. All you need is to purchase the license from the company for you to be able to mint the coin. That is the entire concept, okay? You can go to Coinsbit. Coinsbit is in partnership with Amazon, eBay, and the others, and you can do shopping and pay with Platin coin. It has never been done. Now, the big one is Platin Hero. Platin Hero is like GoFundMe, but it's better. Now, it's better because all the different donations you make on Platin Hero, you get your donation back after 12-month period with a 10% interest. It has never been done. All right, so the future of money is digital currency. Money has moved from barter deals to coins, banknote, checks, ATM card, internet banking, mobile payments, and we are in the era of cryptocurrencies. All right, but there are 4 success criteria you must know before putting your money in a crypto project. For your information, over 97% of newcomers into cryptocurrency lose their money. And if you are new, then you need to listen to this. Now, there are 4 criteria. Number 1, technology. Make sure that that thing you want to invest in that is called cryptocurrency, there is really a coin. Many things that you call cryptocurrency don't have a coin. Make sure there is a blockchain and make sure they have an individual wallet where that coin resides. Number 2, make sure there is a community of people who hold that coin excitedly. It's not enough to have a coin. Some people are just waiting to sell off the coin. But with Platin coin, we hold it the way we hold your Naira in your bank. We are not in a hurry to sell it. So there must be a community of people who are excited about holding the particular cryptocurrency. Number 3, you must be sure that there are infrastructures way for you to spend those coins. If you have the coin, you cannot spend it, then you'll be thinking of how to dispose it. But if you know you can use it to do shopping, pay with your debit card, online, vending machines, and the like, you won't have concern about how to sell your coin because you keep it there, it appreciates while you store it. Now, the 4th important criteria is for you to identify if the cryptocurrency, they have real leadership that is in partnerships with banks, fiat money, payment providers, regulators, exchanges, and the like. With these 4 criteria in place, in any particular investment, you are guaranteed that your investment will do well. And the good news is that Platin Coin has 4 success criteria already in place. We also have solutions for the market problem of other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin can be $14,000 in the morning. It can come back to $13,000 in the afternoon. It can go down to $11,000 in the evening, come back. So it's just volatile, up and down. That is not a good characteristic feature of money. Money needs to be relatively stable. Now, but Bitcoin is an asset, but doesn't have the good quality of money. So that's why we say a Platin Coin developed a new algorithm. And this algorithm functions not with market forces of demand and supply, but it functions directly with the user base. That means as the user base grows, the value will appreciate. 2017, we had 10,000 users. The value was 10 cents. When we rose to 100,000 users, the value became €1. Now we have gotten to 500,000 users. The value is now €5. By the time we get to 1 million users, the value becomes €10. When we get to 5 million users, the value will become €50. And Alex has a dream for us to get to 100 million users within the next 5 to 10 years. And that means Platin Coin will become €1,000. And the good thing, once you get to a particular price, it does not go down. It can only go up. That is just unique and remarkable. Now, how do we get started? You can sign up into Platin Coin as a blockchain user. Who is a blockchain user? Blockchain user is somebody who has some money in his bank, and that you want to diversify, you want to invest in the technology, you want to start minting Platin Coin with your smartphone, with your laptop, with an internet. You just want to put the investment there, and you are somebody that is very busy, you want to focus on your career, then you can become a blockchain user, invest your money, and allow the coin to be coming every day. You can store the coin, you can spend the coin, you can sell the coin. It's up to you. Now, you can also become a business partner with Platin Coin. Who is a business partner? A business partner is a blockchain user who also wants to partner with the company to grow the community. And as you grow the community, the value of your coin in your wallet also increases. So that business partner, in relationship with the company, help the company to grow better and faster, and help the coin to appreciate quicker. There, that person also get paid heavily. I'm going to show you how that business partner make more money apart from the coin they are minting. All right. So PSC minting is the simple mining of the PSC cryptocurrency. 2 ways for you to get new coins into your wallet. Number 1 is purchase a minting bot. Purchase a minting bot from the company. Minting bot is a software that gives you the coin automatically for 36 months. 36 months is 3 years. So once you purchase a minting bot from the company, every day the coins drop into your wallet for the next 3 years. Now, another way to get coin is to purchase a minting farm. And this minting farm comes like an application that you download in your phone. The minting farm is a special savings wallet. When you store your minted coins into the minting farm, it gives you 0.082% daily, which accumulates to 30% in a year. So if you have 1,000 coins in your farm, for example, in 1 year, you will have 300 coins minted to you. And you can do that continuously for the next 10 years. So every year, you get 30% of the coin you store in your minting farm, and you do that for what? 10 years. What smart people are doing is that they purchase a minting bot. When they purchase a minting bot, every day they connect the minting bot to their blockchain, and they get the coins. When the coins come, they move the coin into their farm, get more coins, and that's how they do it. You can withdraw instantly. You can sell your coin at any time. You can spend it at any time. You can use it to make payment of goods and services at any time. No, you don't require any expensive computer, no special knowledge. no electricity cost, the same internet you're using your phone, the same electricity used to charge your mobile phone. That's what you need. It's 100% mobile. All right. So these are the 7 minting bots you can purchase on the company. The first one is Starter. Starter is 107 euro. Once you purchase the Starter minting bot of Starter, you get 23 coins in 3 years. If you purchase Basic Minter, which is 268 euro, you get 63 coins in 3 years. If you purchase the Plus Minter, which is 1,070 euro, you get 280 coins in 3 years. If you purchase the Premium Minter, which is 5,350 euros, you get 1,548 coins in 3 years. If you purchase the Platinum Minter, which is 9,951 euro, you get 3,013 coins in 3 years. Now, depending on the minting board that you purchase, that will determine what you will earn. Think about it. Right now, Platinum is 5 euro. At 5 euro, for example, if you purchase the Platinum Minter, look down there at the monthly income, you'll be making 1,255 euro every month at 5 euro per coin. It will soon get to 10 euro. At 10 euro, you're making 2,501 euro, 11 euros every month. What about when you get to 50 euro, which can happen within now and next year? If you get to 50 euro, that means every single month, you'll be making more than the money that you invest, which is 12,559 euros. In 10 years, just at 50 euro, you would have made 1.49 million euros. That is just incredible. Now, at 250 euro, in 10 years, you would have made 7.45 euro. What about when it gets to 1,000 euro per coin? That means you would have made times 4, which is over 30 million euros within 10 years. So these are the 7 minting packages, minting bots that you can purchase from the company and start minting Platinum coin every day, beginning from today. All right. Now, if you purchase a minting package from Starter to Platinum, you get some free coins that Alex will give to you right now that you can load into your minting farm and you can start getting new coins every day. All right. So you want to get started. I'm going to explain the promotion that is on. Okay. Now, this is the limited edition promotion that is on. This promotion is on now. It stopped at 14, but it's extended. It has been extended to 28th of this month, which is just around the corner. So if you purchase a Plus Minter today, remember you are going to get 280 coins minted to you for 3 years. That is what you purchase. But because you are purchasing it in the promo period, you are going to get one place. What is a place? A place is a shareholding position in Platinum coin. A place is a shareholding position, and a place will pay you for life. It doesn't pay you once in life. It pays you every single month for the rest of your life. You can pass it on to your next of kin. Not only that, you also get one Starter Power Minter for free. You also get a debit card like DEC that you can use to do shopping. You mint coin, you move the coin into your card, and you go do your shopping. Now, one place can give you up to 25 Platinum coin in a month as soon as it starts to pay. And that you will earn for the rest of your life. This is smart contract, guys. It's not like you need to call somebody to pay you. The smart contract execute the contract automatically. Now, if you purchase, you say, oh, okay, I can do more, and you decide to purchase Premium Minter. Premium Minter will give you 1,548 PLC in 3 years. That's what you are paid for. In addition, because you are purchasing it in the promo period, you get 6 places. Now, if one place gives you 25 coins, 6 places will give you 300 coins in a month as shares. Imagine at just 5 euro per coin, that is 1,500 euro monthly salary that you are going to be earning for life. What about when it gets to 50 euro? That is 15,000 euros. You may think this is a joke. This is very serious. Those who got involved in Bitcoin 2009, they are all multi-billionaires. You are not seeing them in the street now. Their life has totally changed. And this is the time you have now with Platinum coin to take that opportunity and change your finances forever. Not only that, you also get 6 Starter Power Minter. You also get 1 debit card. You also get 1 secure box. A secure box is a box machine that connects to your wallet that gives you 10% for the rest of your life, any coin you have in your wallet. If you have more money, I encourage you to do Platin Minter. Platin Minter will give you 3,013 Platin coin. Guys, anybody you know that you think right now, if you are a good person, call your friends, everybody. Even if you don't have enough, your money is not so much, call them. Let them take advantage of this opportunity. I wish Africans took advantage of Bitcoin 11 years ago. We will not be in the condition we are right now. Or there's no, I don't think there's anybody that care, any government that except God intervene. There's no government that have anybody's attack. Like, I want to really help you to change your life. They first of all think about themselves. This blockchain technology is your opportunity to think about yourself and your loved ones. Call everybody you know to take advantage of this promotion so that you can be having passive income for the rest of your life. If you buy Platin Minter, you will get 12 shares, 12 places. 12 places will give you 600 Platin coin in a month when it starts to pay. 600 Platin coin times even €5 is 3,000 euros every month. If the value goes to €10, that is 6,000 euros every month. You may not believe it. But those who invested even 100 naira in Bitcoin 2009, if they have kept their Bitcoin till now, it's worth over $13 billion today. Cryptocurrency is the biggest breakthrough that have entered this world for ordinary people. It doesn't segregate whether you are black or white, whether you are tall or short, whether you are India, Yoruba, Hausa, Igbo, Urubu, whatever tribe you are, it doesn't segregate. Just make sure you own it. So, guys, I am emphasizing this thing for you to take advantage of this for your own change of story. God has helped some of us. And I'm doing this meeting every single day so that I can shout and shout and shout so anybody can hear and change your finances. This is my own ministry to tell you to change your life. Use Platin coin before the opportunity go away. I don't know how I can emphasize this more. So, but these are the promo. If you do Platin Minter, you get 12 shares, you get 12 starter pack, you get one debit card, and you get a Platin coin secure box that comes with a 20-year warranty. Okay, let's now look at it. If you decide to do the biggest package, you earn in 27 ways. You earn in 27. You get a return of investment, which is 15,000 euros in 24 months, just 2 months. That is at €5. That is at the current price, assuming the price does not shift. In just 2 years, you have made 15,000 euros, whereas you invested 10,000 euros. Your farm would have produced for you 7.4 million euro in 10 years. That is at 250 euro. Your 12 starter power minter is there for 10 years. Your secure boss is 10% forever, no limit. You have a debit card. You have 12 blockchain places. The total is 27 income generating opportunities that you are getting just by purchasing the Platin Minter. Would you rather work for money, continue to work for money, or mint money with your phone? Would you rather continue to work for money or mint money with your phone? Aren't you tired of your situation? If you are not tired of your situation is tired of you. Would you rather work for money or mint your own money? Tell me, what would you rather do? If you are thinking this is not a scam, you have been around for 3 years plus now. I've seen the CEO. I've gone and traveled and seen the CEO. Now let me show you a recent meeting with Alex. I want to show you the recent meeting we had with Alex. Oh, I thought this thing would just cooperate today. Okay. So guys, please don't miss out on this amazing opportunity that is at your doorstep. Now let me show us the value, the return, the price of the packages in Naira. Let me just open it for us and share. So you want to purchase the package, the starter pack For those of us in Nigeria, it's 64,000. The euro is 107 euro. The basic minter is 160,800. The medium minter is 321,000. Now, if you're interested to do the promo, and I encourage you to do it, because that's where you get a share. You become a shareholder for life. Shareholder for life, guys. You become a shareholder for life. Is 642,000 naira only. Now, if you have more resources, or you know someone that have more resources, then do the premium minter, which is 3.2 million. It will give you 6 shares, which will give you up to, which are the current value of Platinum Coin, which is 1,500 euro per month salary for life. That is at 5 euro. What if it gets to 1,000 euro? Platinum minter is 5.97 million. If I have money to, assuming I want to have option to build a house or to pay for a landed property or to buy Platinum minter, I will do Platinum minter over and over again. Because the returns will buy me an estate. Platinum minter will give you 3,000 coins. In 3 years, you can make up to 500,000 euros, or if it gets to 1,000 euro, that is 3 million euros, which is over 1 billion naira from just 5.9 million. I'm not talking about the farm. I'm not talking about other additional things you get, your places. So if you're ready to get started, that's the account information for Nigerians. Pay to that account today. I get you started immediately. SMS your email, your full names to the number, and I can get you started immediately. I can get you started immediately. So copy it down. That's the information there. Copy it down wherever you are. Pay to that account, whichever package you're interested in. I'll go to the package again, but just copy that account down and that information. Then I go to that. If you're outside Nigeria, then send me message to that number. If you're outside Nigeria, connect me with that WhatsApp number. I'm going to show you. You can pay with Bitcoin if you have Bitcoin. If you don't have Bitcoin, I can see how we can help you get Bitcoin so you can pay wherever you are. Even you're in Nigeria, you don't want to transfer money, you have Bitcoin. You can also pay with what? Bitcoin. You can pay, buy a package with Bitcoin. Inbox me and let me show you how you can pay with Bitcoin. Okay? So there are many options you can pay. It's not compulsory, you must send money. If you have Bitcoin, you can use your Bitcoin to pay. If you have an international MasterCard or Visa card, you can also pay with your international MasterCard or Visa card. Okay? So let's get you started immediately. You're not paying me, you're actually paying to buy the package of the company. I'm only assisting those who don't have international MasterCard, who don't have Bitcoin, who want me to help them to make the payment. I can help them. But to sign you up, you need to reach out to the person that invited you so that the person can sign. If you are my guest on any of my WhatsApp group, then I will need to sign you up. You need to send me your information so that I can register you onto the system and you can make some good money. All right? Okay, so all right, so let's proceed and try to wrap up as well. Now, so how to start earning passive income? Number one, register. It's free to register. Get request for registration link. You sign up. Then number two, you buy any of the packages of your interest. Then within 24 hours after purchasing your package, you start to earn immediately. All right, so this is the part two. The part two is the business partnership. Those who are interested to increase the value of Platinum Coin, you need to wait and see this. Now, passive income, 30% per year for 10 years, that is your investment. It is not mandatory, you must do this, but it makes sense to refer somebody to join the community because that is the only way the value of Platinum can appreciate. So once you refer somebody who buy a minting package, you get 20% bonus. 20%, but this is very good for people who are into network marketing. If you have any idea about network marketing, Platinum is one of the best paying network marketing company around the world. Direct bonus is 20%. There are people who just join Platinum Coin and within 1 month, they have become millionaires in Naira at least because of the 20% bonus they earn. There's also 23% bonus for team bonus. Rank bonus, you can earn it up to 4 million euro in total. Infinity bonus, 7 to 15%. Fast start bonus up to 10,000 euro. Turbo bonus up to 20,000 euros. So there's a lot of money you can make, and I invite you to be part of the business partnership with and that helps towards increase the community. Okay, so guys, that's our show today. I'm excited you're a part of this, and if you want to get started, if you are watching this on my YouTube, just look under this video. You'll see the link there. You can use it to get started, or reach out to the person that invited you to watch this video, and you can get started immediately. Once again, my name is Favour Sunano, top leader, Platinum Coin Africa. Let's get you started.